Hi, it's Christopher with My Home Upgrades. Today I want to talk to you about something that really has been one of the best $100 or less purchases I've ever made. My good friends Uli and Alina introduced me to this years ago. Later it came up in Tim Ferriss's book Tools of Titans when he interviewed Noah Kagan and asked him, like Tim asks everybody, what's the best $100 or less purchase you've ever made? Well, this is it. This is the NutriBullet 1200W blender combo. It comes with a blender pitcher, but what I'm using it for are the cups, the individual shake or smoothie cups. And I gotta tell you, I've had a couple of these. This one is a big improvement for a couple of different reasons I'll talk about later. But mostly, I wanted to show you how it is I make my breakfast smoothie or breakfast shake. This makes it really easy for me to get 2 or even 3 servings of fruits and vegetables every day. I've been doing the same thing for a couple of years now, and the ingredients have stayed more or less the same. And if you want to get that ingredient list, go ahead and just click the link in the description down below. That'll bring you straight to the recipe that I'm using. Now, I will tell you this, my neighbor Patty, she insists that she's got an even better recipe for a green smoothie. I'll see if I can't get that recipe out of her and see if we can put that on the website as well. And you can just comment down below about which one you think is better. Now, the machine here, one of the main advances it's got is that it now has an extraction button where it not only runs for a specified period of time and then shuts off, it runs its own little routine. It starts and then stops, and then starts faster and then stops, and then goes for a longer period. Now, the result of this is that it thoroughly blends everything. It does a great job of doing it. So you don't have to worry about chunks of material or big flakes of spinach showing up in your smoothie. The other big improvement is the cap. They've redesigned the lid and the latch so it actually clicks shut and stays shut. So you can actually turn it upside down and shake it and it'll stay shut. It also has a nice hook on it, so it makes it easy to carry around in case your hands are full. So the NutriBullet has been great. I really like it. It's a great way for me to make sure to get vegetables, a little bit of fruit, have a really healthy breakfast, and have it be consistent as well. So I really like it. I really recommend it. You should get one. The links are down below. And finally, again, if you like this video, please go ahead and tap, hit, smash, doesn't matter. Click the like button. It helps out with the YouTube algorithm a ton. But also click subscribe. That way you won't miss any of our other videos as we move forward here. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time on My Home Upgrades.